To replace Roomba's wheel module, unscrew the side brush screw using a screwdriver or coin and remove the side brush. Now unscrew the 2 screws on the battery door and remove the battery door and the battery. Unscrew the 2 screws that hold the bottom cover and then remove the bottom cover. Now, unscrew the 3 screws that retain Roomba's wheel module and remove the module. Install Roomba's new wheel module. Then, replace Roomba's bottom cover and reinstall the battery and battery door. Lastly, replace Roomba's side brush.